Hello. One of the constant challenges people face in their personal as well as professional lives is how to increase their productivity. Because they believe it can go up, because they believe that they have potential inside, but somehow it's not coming out. And it is not coming out only because their current set of actions, which is keeping their productivity low. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 powerful ideas which will help you to raise your productivity substantially. Only thing is, you will have to put them into use. Let's begin. First one is get big rocks in. And what do I mean by saying big rocks is that are your topmost priorities a part of your constant attention and focus? Because unless they are paid attention to, you cannot think of increasing your productivity. Let me give you a couple of examples. Is your physical health a part of your topmost priorities or not? If it is, great. That means your actions are aligned to keeping yourself physically healthy. Otherwise, your health is getting neglected. And let me ask you a very simple question. Is being healthy helpful in increasing your productivity? Obviously, yes. And if you neglect your health, your productivity will keep on getting adversely affected because of all the challenges that you start facing. Another example that I'm giving is learning, continuous learning part of your big rocks or not? If yes, that means you are paying attention to remaining relevant, paying attention to continuously learn and put all that learning into use, which can help you to increase your productivity. Some simple example could be, let us say you have been storing data in a certain way, but by learning Excel, you can enhance your productivity. Like this, are some of these big rocks a part of your constant attention or not? You must have them. Second important thing is first be effective and then be efficient. What do I mean by this is effectiveness is about the direction. Effectiveness is about the choice of action. And that always comes first before deciding at what speed are you doing this. Common example given by Stephen Covey is your ladder leaning against the right wall? Let's say you are a firefighter and you are very fast in rising those ladders. But imagine a situation that after rising to the top of the ladder, you realize this is not the building in which you had to come in. How will that situation be? So first be effective, be sure about the direction, be clear about the direction, and then enhance your speed. Then start becoming more and more efficient so that your speed can help you to take where you want to go much faster. Third important thing is again something very important, very common. Stop procrastination. Procrastination is one of the worst enemies of our progress, of our productivity. If you are postponing, you are piling up things to be done over a period of time. And that does not go well with increasing your productivity. Your list of things to be done has to be minimal at all times. And that will happen only when you keep on doing things as and when they need your attention. So stop procrastinating. And when I'm saying procrastinating, it's not only about your professional actions. It's also about what needs to be done in your personal life. Next important thing is learn to delegate and outsource. Will you agree with me if I say that you cannot be an expert in everything? You have limited time, limited energy, limited bandwidth at any given point of time. You can do only so much at a given point of time. And if you really want to progress, you need to have people who can support you. And that will happen when you start delegating things to others. Get some right people and start delegating. And second thing is, if you do not want to have your own people in your team, outsource that. The whole world is full of experts who can do things much better, much faster than you do. So learn to delegate and outsource and pay your attention, your energy to more important things that you can take care of. Next important thing is eliminate time wasters. Is it true that all of us have plethora of time wasters in our lives? Obviously, yes. And those can be very small time wasters like a pop-up in your mobile phone or a laptop that you are working on or a mail that has come in. Anything can be a distraction, anything can be a time waster. So getting rid of those time wasters, because they consume a lot of time without even alerting you, without even telling you. It's only when a pile of time goes by, that's when you realize all those time wasters were on work at that point of time. The last one is learn from masters. And why is it important to learn from masters is because you need to know the best, and you will know the best only from masters, and the kind of wisdom that you will acquire from them and be able to put that to immediate use is going to contribute a lot to enhance your productivity. At whatever stage of life you are in, you need to learn, and whatever your capabilities are, learn from the best at that point of time, and notice how you keep on expanding your horizon about who to learn from. So apply these 6 thoughts that I've shared with you. Let me quickly sum them up. First one is get big rocks in. Second one was first be effective, then be efficient. Third one was stop procrastination, then delegate and outsource, eliminate time wasters, and the last one was learn from masters. Ask yourself which one of these can you practice more in your day-to-day life so that your productivity, and because of your productivity, your results start changing towards what you really want to experience in your life. I'll see you in my next video. Wish you all the best.